In this mobile tutorial video, I'll show you how to make changes and cancel an AC manifest using BorderConnect on a mobile device. In an AC manifest, there are two primary areas where information may need to be updated: the trip details and the shipment information. Thanks to BorderConnect's eManifest sync, making changes to an eManifest and updating information with CBP is now as simple as clicking a button. And for a more in-depth guide on how to properly make changes to your AC manifest, you can also visit BorderConnect's support wiki at wiki.borderconnect.com. In the first part of this tutorial, I'll cover various examples of trip information that can be modified. And for the second part, we'll delve into how to update shipment information. So, let's get started. Once you're logged in, click the menu icon, and then tap AC Manifests and select Search AC Manifests. Next, go into an AC manifest you wish to make changes to. Once you're in the AC manifest, you'll notice that the status is currently at 3 blue bars, on file with CBP. In this example, I'll change the ETA, add a team driver, and add a seal. To change the ETA, click Edit in the top left, and then I'll just change the estimated arrival date and time to tomorrow. Then click Save. Once back on the AC Manifest Details page, I'll scroll down to the Driver section and tap Select Driver. And anytime you see a magnifying glass icon in BorderConnect, that means BorderConnect will look up the information for you. So just type the first few characters of the driver's name and tap to assign it. And if this was a new driver, just click Add Driver, add the driver details, and click Save to assign them to the manifest. Now, to add a seal to the trailer or truck, tap the down arrow and tap Add Seals. Then enter the seal number and click Save. After all the changes have been made, just go to the top of your eManifest and tap Sync with CBP, where the status will then move to 2 yellow bars transmitted. And when the status updates to 3 blue bars, complete manifest on file with CBP, Customs will then have all the changes you just made. It's recommended to also print, fax, or email a new driver lead sheet, which will contain the new team driver and seal. Now in the next part, I'll show you how to change shipment information. So navigate down to the shipment section and tap the down arrow and tap View. Once you're in the shipment details page, I'll show you how to change a shipper and commodity information. First, I'll change the shipper, and you can remove the shipper by scrolling down, expanding the shipper box, and tapping Remove. Now tap the button Select Shipper and enter the first few characters of the name of the shipper or the address in the Add Shipper box, and just click it to add it. Now for the commodity below, just click into the commodity by clicking the Edit button, where you'll be brought to the commodity details page. In this example, I'll change the quantity and weight, then at the bottom, tap Save and back to AC Manifest, then again, Save and back to AC Manifest, where you'll be brought back to the AC Manifest details page. Since we've made all the changes to the shipment, at the top of the manifest, click Sync with CBP, where the status will be changed to 2 yellow bars transmitted, and then the status will update to 3 blue bars, complete manifest on file with CBP, where Customs will then have all the shipment changes that you just made. It's also recommended to print, fax, or email a new detailed driver's copy lead sheet, as it'll contain the updated quantity. And in scenarios where an AC manifest will no longer be crossing and will need to be canceled, just go to the top of your eManifest that's already on file and click Cancel eManifest, where the status will be changed to 2 yellow bars transmitted. And after a couple of minutes, will change to 1 red bar, Canceled, where the manifest has been removed from Customs. Congratulations! You now know how to make changes to an already existing AC manifest and cancel it with CBP on a mobile device. With eManifest Sync, almost all changes can be made by changing information, including the trip number, ETA changes, shipment control number changes, and more by clicking Sync with CBP after those changes have been made. So try it out yourself and see how easy changing your AC manifest can be. And if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.